Taylor traffic, RV7 Tango Foxtrot, about a 3 mile final for 35, touch and go. Taylor. Alright. Looking good.
Taylor traffic, coming off 46 November, 5 miles to the northwest. We'll be left base for 35, Taylor.
We're going to make it anyway for that guy, and he's way over there, so we'll be fine. Wind should be right down the runway. Taylor traffic, RV7 Tango Foxtrot, short final 35, touch and go, Taylor.
Field, over 5 midfield, 2,500 feet, right teardrop to the left downwind, runway 36, Lockhart traffic.
Keep it,
Traffic land 38334 is about a 6 mile final, runway 1, full stop burning.
keep, like every time I tell you 7 Tango Foxtrot. It is so clear, now I'm like messing it up. Alright, let's go power to idle, we have the full flaps in. And 60 right here, straight down the runway, wind. Hold the nose off, hold the nose off. Half flaps. $75.
Burning traffic, land 38334, short final, runway 1, burning. Lockhart traffic, Skyhawk 5113 Juliet is doing a right teardrop to a left downwind for runway 36, 5113 Juliet.
Taylor traffic, RV7 Tango Foxtrot, departing the pattern to the northwest, Taylor.
Traffic, coming off 46 November, turning left base, 35, Taylor.
I see that guy over there. Look at the ace at Georgetown.
Taylor traffic, White Archer 604 Golf, transitioning Granger Lake east to west. Taylor traffic.
So on that touch and go, whenever I land, and I take the flaps out, and I go full throttle, airplane, it would immediately jump up in the air, jump up in the air, and then after a second it would stall, come down. So I had to do at full power, and then just kind of hold the nose in a wheelie going down the runway for a little bit. So I can build some speed.
60 uniforms, 5 west, planning to come overhead midfield, parade right down there, 35, Horseshoe Bay.
Alright, showing there's some traffic. Oh, right there. There's the slow down, go behind
traffic, Skyhawk 5113 Juliet is to be entering midfield left downwind for runway 36. Touch and go, Lockhart traffic.
There's an RV. Yeah, RV or Cirrus or something.
Hey, traffic, since 584 Sierra Papa is on a 4 mile left base for runway.
Why is he so low? He's not, doesn't look like he's going anywhere to any specific airport. That's weird. I will get the
Bird advisory is in effect. All VFR departures, advise ground control of direction of flight. Advise us contact, you have Charlie.
That guy got really close. Huh.
Georgetown Municipal Airport Information, Charlie. 2253 Zulu weather. Wind 340 at 10. Visibility 10. 2,800 scattered. Temperature 27, dew point 19er, altimeter 3006. Visual approach in use, landing departing, runway 36. Bird advisory is in effect. All VFR departures, advise ground control of direction of flight. Advise us contact, you have Charlie.
Charlie. And that guy got really close. Wow. I don't know how much of that was my fault, how much of that was his fault. But I didn't see him at all. I got a warning on the Garmin. It said traffic. My altitude. That way, I was like, huh, I don't know where that guy is. And I looked over there and he's right off my wing. That's weird. I don't think, he didn't change his course at all. So I don't think he saw me at all. or had a Garmin or something. Oh, that was really close.
Georgetown Tower, Archer 436 Golf, midfield right downwind, runway 36, touch and go.
36 Golf, your number 2, following
He was faster than me, so I knew he was going to get in front, so I pulled power back a little bit, and then just kind of went behind him,
Go, runway 36,
going that way.
36 Golf.
Now he's over there. What the heck is this guy doing? You also going to Georgetown? Georgetown Tower, RV 217 Tango Foxtrot, 8 miles to the east, inbound full stop with Charlie.
RV 217 Tango Fox, Georgetown Tower, join a midfield right downwind, runway 36, squawk 0617.
Traffic.
0617, midfield right downwind 36, 217 Tango Foxtrot. Alright, what the hell is this guy doing? Where is he?
RV 7 Tango Fox, traffic 11 o'clock, about a mile, northbound altitude indicates 1,900.
Where is this guy? Holy crap. He's 700 feet below me. Where the hell is this guy? What the hell? Right there, what the hell is this guy doing?
Georgetown Tower, experimental 257 Charlie Hotel, 36 at Lima, ready for east departure.
257 Charlie Hotel, Georgetown Tower, hold short, runway 18.
Probably short of 18, 7 Charlie Hotel.
800 feet below me.
954, turn right at 11 and contact ground.
I think that's the same guy. I think he flew over there and then flew back. Where is he? Should see him here in a second. What the heck?
Georgetown Tower,
What are you doing?
04, 10 miles to the east, inbound with information Charlie, full stop.
Right there. What? Passes me and then comes back.
Number 604 Golf, Georgetown Tower, squawk 0611, join a midfield right downwind.
Super low.
0611, midfield
Like he was
right
going
downwind.
in somewhere and then he was going to Georgetown and then he wasn't.
Georgetown Tower,
He's like right off, right behind me there.
Beam the numbers 36 into that for touch and go.
What is he doing?
Mark 51 Tango, traffic department, party arrival, runway 36, cleared, touch and go. Runway 36, clear touch and go, 51 Tango.
Wow, that's... I'm okay. In the Georgetown airspace, I don't know what this guy's doing.
RV 257 Charlie Hotel, Georgetown Tower, fly runway heading, I'll call the turn on course, runway 36, cleared for takeoff.
Wow.
Clear for takeoff 36, fly runway heading, 7 Charlie Hotel.
Runway 7 Tango Fox, your number 2, following Tomahawk, right base to final, mile out, runway 36, clear to land.
36, clear to land, number 2, 217 Tango Foxtrot. I think I got the Tomahawk in sight. Or number 2, clear to land 36. That was clear, it was pretty far out. Got the Tomahawk in sight. And then this guy back here, I don't know what he's doing. At all. Gotta get that. I haven't got that guy out of the way. He flew, he was flying. I saw him, pulled the power back, turned behind him. And then he comes and turns back and flies right under me.
RV 7 Charlie Hotel, the preceding Cherokee's making a right crosswind turn to stay in the pattern, pass behind that traffic, and you proceed on course.
Pass behind the Cherokee, then on course, 7 Charlie Hotel.
Oh shade, it didn't really do much. Alright, Tomahawk. I don't see a Tomahawk.
Arch 36 Golf, fly suggest heading 100 and report sighting a experimental RV about 2 miles east southeast of the airport on the extended right base.
Oh, there's a bug.
Wow, that was
weird.
look to that traffic 36 Golf.
Alright. Man, that was weird. This guy, he was like chasing me or something. Wow.
Traffic's in sight, 36 Golf.
36 Golf, your number 2, that traffic are following the full stop, runway 36, cleared, touch and go.
Alright, Tomahawk's on the runway.
Number 2, following that traffic, clear touch and go, runway 36, 36 Golf.
I see that guy on the crosswind there.
Tomahawk 51 Tango, continue upwind, I'll call the crosswind turn.
Continue upwind, you'll call a crosswind, 51 Tango.
Archer 604 Golf, traffic follows 12 o'clock, about 2 miles, about a midfield downwind. Piper Archer.
Traffic inside 604 Golf.
Roger, follow that traffic, your number 3, runway 36, cleared to land.
The guy was just...
Follow that traffic, number
no
3,
idea was
clear to
there.
land, runway 36, 604 Golf.
Hey. So weird. He was flying directly beside me at my altitude. I slow down, get behind him, then he goes down, descends, and then comes back flying below me. What the heck? Alright, belt secure, we got the lights, 80, 70, 60. We've been clear to land, runway is clear, and final is clear. We don't have a freaking RV chasing us, whatever. I don't even know what that guy was doing. Wow. That's so weird. I mean, again, I don't know how much of that is my fault, how much of that is his fault, but I was just flying straight out of Taylor. I saw him, avoided him, and then he comes back.
I'm on 51 Tango, make right traffic.
No idea what's going on there.
51 Tango, right traffic.
Alright, wind's right down the runway. .55 right there. Bird. Power idle, center line, and just hold it on. There we go, that's what I'm talking about.
Number 7 Tango Fox, turn right, runway 11 and contact ground.
Runway 11, contact ground, 217 Tango Foxtrot. I'm stuttering. We'll get the flaps up. Georgetown ground, RV 217 Tango Foxtrot, clear 36 on 11, taxi Airjet.
RV 217 Tango Foxtrot, Georgetown ground, proceed via Lima, Foxtrot, terminal ramp, and Alpha 1.
Lima, Foxtrot, terminal ramp, Alpha 1 to Airjet, 217 Tango Foxtrot. That was an exciting flight. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Alright, shut down, throttle, idle, ignition's off and off. 289.2, all switches.